Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tanyan and I'm a Year 3 student studying Bachelor of Arts in Architecture. Just to give a brief description of myself, I graduated from Temasek Polytechnic with a degree, with a diploma in Interior Architecture and Design. So why did I choose NUS BA in architecture in the first place? So initially, I had an interest and passion in architecture. Since young, I had the desire to always have something to design for someone, but yet also have something logical and something concrete that I wanted to put in the world. So that's why I decided to pursue the built environment. In addition, I sort of did some more research and analysis of the architecture programs in Singapore, and I found that NUS had a very unique lens to architecture. Because it is a Bachelor of Arts, it is more design driven. So therefore, it has a sort of unique perspective on like how architecture could be in the future rather than what it is today. So it's preparing me for the future in a sense. In order to like push me further to sort of pursue NUS architecture, I sort of was pushed by the annual archival in 2023, the year that I graduated from poly. I was able to see the unique projects of all the students in the past year, and that sort of inspired me because I saw the potential that I could have in NUS architecture. And I'm proud to say that my project was also presented in the archival in last year. So it sort of comes like a full circle where I'm able to inspire my juniors based on my projects. So what do we actually do in NUS architecture? So firstly, I made a lot of new friends, both local and overseas. Although I didn't apply for the exchange programs, I still managed to make a lot of overseas friends because of the exchange students that come into Singapore. And I learned a lot about the unique perspectives that they have, having learned architecture in a different country. And just a fun fact, the girl who's holding the camera in the first photo, she's a German exchange student, and she actually was inspired to move to Singapore and pursue her work and studies here after having her exchange program in NUS architecture. We also get to have a voice in conveying our design ideas and having a unique perspective, basically. Even though the profs and the tutors sort of guide you and allow you to convey your ideas in a more succinct manner, you're ultimately able to express your own ideas and voice, which is something I find unique in architecture. In studio, you also work with a lot of like-minded people, but they have a lot of diverse views. So you get to learn from a multitude of understanding their talents and also their mindset towards design. There's a lot of hands-on projects which I find unique to architecture, a lot of craftiness, and you get to work together with your friends basically on building your own ideas and materializing them in real life. So there's a variety of job opportunities that NUS architecture could give you, such as when you take the masters, you'll be able to become a licensed architect, so you'll be able to sign off on projects and etc. I've also heard of interior designers who come from NUS architecture, drafters, project managers, and actually you can do it at a macro scale for urban planner. And there's also a specialization major when you're doing your masters for urban planning. There's also abundance of skill sets in the working world, such as Rhino, AutoCAD, especially Grasshopper, where you'll be able to hone in on sort of computational skills and learning with the algorithm and machine learning in a sense, which is very helpful in the future where AI is a prevalent topic right now. And Climate Studio, where because of the sustainability issues in Singapore, there's a lot of use for being able to analyze the climate around us and how our design will be actually impacted by this. There's also the architectural internship program, which is available for Year 4 students, where you'll be able to use the soft skills and hard skills that you learn in school into the real working world. So the pictures on the right show an internship that I took up during the semesters of studying in architecture. Although it's an interior design intern, I learned a lot from this internship. There's also a lot of workshop and competition opportunities. Whether your prof will nominate you or you'll be able to sign up on yourself. I was proud to say that I was nominated for the 13th annual ACARA, which is the Asian Contest of Architectural Rookies Award, and I was able to present my Year 3 work in the Da Nang University of Architecture in Vietnam. And the prompt was, can architectural design be replaced by AI? And the answer that I gave was actually that it could assist us in some sense, but it can't fully replace us because we are human after all, and we need to be empathetic with our users. So to learn more about the Bachelor of Arts in Architecture program, you may visit the QR code on the top, and to find out more about other programs in CDE, you may visit the one on the bottom. Thank you.